What's going on, gaming family? It's your brother LBG. Welcome back to the channel. I got another unboxing game. Oh my god, I got another unboxing for you guys. So you guys know I am using the Fifine AM8 microphone. It is USB and it's also XRL, and I have that connected to the audio mixer that I have with Fifine as well. This right here is the K658 Amplify Fine RGB dynamic microphone for gaming and podcasting. So this is just USB. So if you guys just want to use a USB option, you're more than welcome to do that with using this. I just want to try it out, unboxing, see which microphone I like the best between, you know, the AM8 versus this one. So let's open her up and give it a shot. All right, here we go. And we have this right here. Okay. User guide. So this will not connect to your audio mixer because obviously you need XRL cable to connect to it. But okay, so this, come on. Okay, so this hangs out to the microphone. Okay, this is the USB cord right here, and here is the microphone itself. I will say this: the AM8 feels a little bit more durable, but this doesn't feel bad. You know what I mean? Like it's alright. It's all right. We can connect our headset to this if we need to have it connected to it against USB-C. I believe this only has one option for RGB, and it's just the rainbow. So that's like the only thing for me. So I'm going to switch everything out, switch up the other microphone and see how I like it. So give me 1 second, guys. All right, I think we are live now with the microphone. So if you guys look at the top, this is the gain control right here. So we can turn up the gain all the way up here or turn the gain all the way down from up here. Can you still hear me? Yes, you can. It's okay. We can mute it from here. Untap to mute right here. Now, again, this is the RBG function right here. It's only one, the rainbow, right? That's all it is the rainbow. But it's still okay. You feel me? Because it's like I like it a little bit better. It seems a little bit more low key, and I can actually do a lot more with it, with getting it in front of me, twisting things, whatnot, bloom, blah, bling, bling, blah, blah, right? Now it's right in front of me. I can talk pretty well with it. I actually kind of like this. This isn't really that bad. Like, I'm just going to experiment with it more. Like, I can tighten this. Okay, so around a little bit more if I want to tighten you. But that's the new microphone, man. The KS5855 mic, man. Hey, I'm gonna do a little bit more recording with these. I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about it maybe within the next few weeks or so. See if I want to switch. I'm gonna listen to everything. Again, this is a USB only, so it's not gonna connect to the audio mixer, but I can still use the audio mixer if I want to, just for sound and things of that nature. But yeah, guys, that's it. I appreciate y'all coming through like always, man. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share the video. Come on back for the next video, let's play, episode, whatever. I'm out. Peace and love. Y'all be safe out there.